What the brap is up, everyone? Hey, it's Cody with Dirt Nap Dirt Bike Adventures channel, bringing you another vlog from the 701 Chippewa, aka Freedom. Hey, in today's episode it is called Fear the Punisher, and fear stands for F everything and run, or face everything and rise. I'm gonna get real with you guys. It is a little scary, pun intended, for me to do that. But we're going to get into that right after this. Hey, thanks for joining us today. Just wanted to clarify that today's video is not about showing off or saying that I have any skills, because that is definitely not what it's about. What this video is about friends and family, the support system, and fear. Simply put, I've spent most of my life living in fear, to the point sometimes of fear of going outside, fear of going to the store alone. I do pretty good when I have a partner with me, aka partner in crime, but for the most part, social situations, hate them. They drain me totally. It's been getting better, but besides just social, just fear of anything, going to work, relationships. I've been blessed and cursed with this simple thing, that thinking, hey, everybody's better than me. Hey, he's better looking. Hey, he's got more money. Hey, he's got this, he's got that, he's in better shape, he knows this, he's had this training, blah blah blah. Pretty much what I fight off in my head every day, every night. Gets really old. But recently I've been inspired by some YouTube videos and people, and some good friends, and my family all know me, know how the fear has affected my life, and they just inspire me and encourage me to get out and do stuff anyway. The Punisher is a very intimidating trail, and I thought that was a fitting video to just get real with y'all and myself. And so without further ado, I'm gonna let you watch as Jonny Mac tries to teach me and encourage me up the Punisher, and see how far we can get and if our bikes and bodies survive. Woo. Good morning, baby. Got a little happy there. Holy cow.
He's about 3 feet long, probably. Just hanging out.
That's what I saw the other day. What is that?
Just a gopher snake. Eats mice. That's like our corn snakes. Hey, buddy. How are you?
John is from House Slytherin.
Oh, yeah, we are for sure. Here, hold that. Alright, buddy. Yep, there you go. Move along. Woo! He's not going very quick, is he?
Yeah. Whoa. That thing is long.
Maybe he's closer to 4 feet, I guess, huh? He must just live up in those rocks.
Awesome.
Very little run up, check. Love this hill.
You love it?
It's intimidating. It's the first one of the day, right?
I'm gonna get you from back here. Oh.
Don't go left. Cat's bike was upside down right here. Rear wheel here. He had hit this big bump there. And he went like way steep.
Woo! Holy cow! Ah, come on. Well,
You actually did better than me.
but I'm on my ass and you're not.
You made it from like,
I was shocked that I made it.
yeah, you pretty much like jumped to the earth and feel safe. It's like sliding to home base. Like, I made it!
That was sick. I just looked at that rock in my head and I said, okay, I'm hitting that rock.
The crazy thing is,
I was just shocked. What was that?
I made it to Electrocution Hill.
Is that your nemesis?
Yes, sir.
I am working my way up to you. Very good job, sir. Beautiful. I'm attempting the second one. Will do. Stop! Well, folks, that's not how I planned to do it. time real cleanly. But that was last time. This is now. I also had John here to catch me that time. Ugh. Thanks.
That's what you get for not even getting your feet on the pegs. You gotta get your feet on the pegs and get forward on the bike. And you would have had that even not standing.
You want to aim right there? Basically, because I see this.
You want to aim right here.
Okay.
Man, you just gotta get up on the tank, and you wouldn't do that. You just crawl right up. So that hole, this, because you're not. It's because you're chickening out. So the bummer is that the chicken out is gonna make you wreck.
Right. I'm telling my brain, and at the last second, my right foot just comes off. Like
both feet come off.
Both of them are?
Yeah.
Awesome. I thought it was just the right foot.
Well, both of those you were paddling with both feet. You gotta. It works for half that wall.
Yeah.
That would work because the front end just comes down and no big deal. But you're riding a wall, so you have to get on the bike to ride it. Just like you did at the beginning. Beginning, you rode the wall.
Yeah, I was feeling great on first obstacle.
Yeah, once you get nervous and once you've been here sitting here looking at them,
it's kind of like a roller coaster. The more you look at it, you're not going.
That's how come on that third one, on that zero run up, I did it twice and I was like, dude,
this is it. Do it.
You don't make it right now, you're gonna push it up this because you're gonna chicken out. So go. And then I went for it and I was like, oh, you made it. And you're just like, oh, miracle, miracle. And you're looking for all the shortcuts and the easy way outs, but
yeah,
there aren't any.
It's kind of
way out, ironically,
it's harder.
Is bucking up and doing it, right? But transitioning is difficult. So just getting down in some of this rocky crap, even early on in it, just sit, start, stand, just go. Or leg off, stand on it and go, right? Like all of that stuff. So I had to do the electrocution hill 3 times too, because first time I went, I pulled with this hand at attention. Next time I went, I pulled with this hand. I was like, you're an idiot.
Overcorrected.
I was like, well, it's my adrenaline was running like crazy, so I couldn't relax. And I relaxed and just and made it. And I was like, okay.
The hardest part for me is the run-ups on these.
Yeah.
Because you don't have a whole bunch and it's loose. Kind of loose.
Loose and sometimes bucky. So, and look how much better of a rider you're getting.
Really?
Yeah.
Thanks.
Look at what you just came down. And you've done that.
Yeah.
Look at what you went up. Even if you did it wrong today, you've done it right before.
Yeah.
But just look at it. Are you kidding?
That one freaked me out. It still does.
Oh yeah. Every one of these, don't be fooled. Every time I look at it, I told you at that first obstacle, I'm like, pretty much keep this every time. So I'm gonna keep doing it until I'm like, oh, that wall?